What should you consider when hiring a lawn maintenance company? Number one, do they have the expertise to do the work that you're looking to have done? Some of the things that can be covered by a lawn maintenance company could be mowing, weeding, fertilization, garden maintenance, landscape maintenance, seasonal cleanups, and maybe recommendations for how to improve your landscape. Finding a company that has that breadth of knowledge would be one step in helping select a contractor. Another would be whether or not they provide the quality of service that you're looking for. That can be found out through recommendations from others and or ratings online. And lastly might be, does their pricing fit your budget? Are you comfortable with what the pricing is? How to determine whether or not a lawn contractor is doing their job properly is quite simple. Is your lawn thriving? Are your garden spaces thriving? Does your property look great? If it doesn't, you probably need a different lawn maintenance contractor. If your lawn and landscape doesn't look great, it might be time to hire a different contractor.